Hello children, how are you all? Hope all are good and safe at home. Please be safe at home children. Now summer season has started, you should not go out to play. So you should play inside only and read and write. And please attend the online class. As now COVID has increased, so you have to not to go out. Okay children, be careful at home. Okay? Yes children, please continue the online class and practice daily. This month you may have the assessment. So for the test you have to practice writing also. Please learn the rhymes, numbers and alphabets. Hope you do know. Very good children. Let us start with our school prayer children. All of you get up. Join your hands, close your eyes, start the prayer. Little Ellie, little Ellie is my school. Oh, I love it, how I love it, and you love it too. I can play, I can sing, I can read and write too. I can draw, I can dance and have fun too. It's my best friend, a pink elephant. I am proud to be here. Little Ellie, little Ellie, little Ellie is the best school. Hands down children? Yes. Okay children, shall we start today's class? Yes children. Today first I will take the concept, that is triangle. Yes, this is the review class. In the subject early concept. In early concept skill, I am going to review the shape triangle once again for you. Today I am doing the which shape children? Triangle shape. As we have learned all the shapes, no? Can you remember which are the shapes ma'am has revised for you? Yes children? Yes, that is first circle. Circle is in round shape, it has no sides, no ends. An example for the circle is CD and clock. Next comes the square. Square has a 4 sides, 4 corners. All the sides are equal in square. Example for square, chessboard and carom board, cut. Yes, next comes the triangle. Triangle has a 3 sides, 3 corners. Example for this triangle is cake, cut piece cake, yacht. Yes. So these are the shapes we have realized. No, still shape is there. That is a rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners. Opposite sides are here equal. So example for the rectangle shape is almirah court. Next comes the oval. Oval shape is, it has no sides, no corners. It is in a curve shape. If you join the two curve shape, you will get a oval shape. So example for oval is mirror and egg. So which are the shapes we have revised children? Circle. Tell me the shapes name. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle, oval and diamond shape also we have learned. No? Yes, these are the shapes ma'am has revised for you. Yes, now today I am going to review the triangle shape for you children. Please observe the class, review class. Okay? Okay, what shape is this? This is the flashcard of triangle shape. See, this is triangle shape. It has a 3 sides and 3 corners. Which are the 3 sides? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides are there. Corners 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I will show you the block that is which is having a triangle shape. Yes, this is, what shape is this? This is a triangle shape. Now I will show you the sides. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sides are there in triangle. 1 side, 2 side and 3 side. Corner 1, 2, 3. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3 corners. 3 sides 1, 2, 3. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. See children, here I have put some pictures of triangle shape. Can you tell me what are the pictures? This is the cut piece of cake. Can you observe what is this? This shape is in a triangle. See the outer surface you can find in a triangle shape. Next, ice cream cone, mehendi cone are also in triangle shape. See the outer surface you will get a triangle shape. Next comes this. This is the cap and you can see the birthday cap. You will wear for the birthday cap. Have you observed the shape? It's in a triangle shape. So this is also a triangle shape cap. Next, this is the umbrella. See the outer surface you can find in a triangle shape. And this is the fox face. That is some animal face that we have decorated in a triangle shape. Yes, children. Yes. Shall we revise one rhyme? Yes, on the triangle shape. Shall we start? Yes, you should also sing with me, children. Yes. This shape has three sides. Three sides. Three sides. This shape has three sides and three corners too. This name is triangle. 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 This shape name is triangle. I just want to tell to you. Yes, you can watch this rhyme in a YouTube, children. Please learn the shape sound. Once again, shall we see? Yes, start. This shape has three sides and three sides, three sides, three. This shape has three sides and three corners too. This name is triangle, triangle, triangle. This shape name is triangle. I just want to tell to you. I just want to tell to you. Okay, please watch this rhyme in a YouTube, children. That is a triangle shape song. Hope you do know. Yes, today I will give one homework on the my early concept. Okay, open, children. Yes, very good, children. Page number. Yes, page number 37. Open, children. Page number 37. Yes. Yes, here see, children. Page number 37. Identify the triangles and color them. See, they have given the so many shapes. Yes, this is square, triangle, circle, triangle, oval, square, triangle. So you have to identify the which shape here? Triangle shape. Yes, you have to identify the triangle shape and color it. So color the triangle shape here. So this, you have to do the coloring with your mama's help. Page number 37. Okay, shall we do one activity for the triangle shape? For this, it is very easy. Okay, children, what you have to do now? Take a 3-color ice cream stick. You can take painted also or plain also. So, using the ice cream stick, I will show you how to trace the triangle. Okay, shall we start, children? Okay, children. See, now I will do the triangle for you using the ice cream sticks. One activity for you. Yes, see, children. Yes, one slant line. Okay, then another one slant line and middle one slant line. Makes the triangle shape. Yes. See, children, I have done the triangle shape using the ice cream stick. So this is very simple activity you can do at home. Take ice cream stick and trace the triangle shape, or you can trace with the on the paper or book also. Will you do no? Yes. Tracing activity today for the triangle review shape. You have to trace the triangle shape using the ice cream stick. Hope you do know. Very good, children. See, one slant line, another one slant line, middle one sleeping line makes a triangle shape. Okay, children. Next we'll go for the next concept. Now I will remove all this. Today you have to complete the homework, children. Please complete. Hope you do know and take correction. Whenever you finish the books, homework books, please take the correction, children. Okay? Yes. Next we'll go for the math, children. So in math, how many numbers we have revised so far? Is up to 0 to 20. Yes, no, children? Very good. Can you tell me the numbers? 0 to 20? Yes? Please repeat the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 21, 1, 3, 30, 1, 4, 40, 1, 5, 50, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. So up to 20 we have reversed the number. Okay, today I will take first maths. In the maths, I am going to do the concept review of size. Reviewing the size. In that, I am going to take first big size, big and small. First, I will show you the big and small. Big and small. Okay, children. Shall we start? Yes. See, for big means I give the meaning of big. Yes, no? Yes, big is big and small are opposite to each other. We compare roly, poly, roly, poly. Big, big. Roly, poly, small, small. Roly, poly, big, big. Roly, poly, small, small. Big means yes, this much. Small means this. So big and small are opposite each other. Children, in your hand, show me the big size. Yes, big in size this much. Small in size this much. Okay? Big size, small size. Big size, small size. Now I will show you few objects which are in big and small. So here I have two balls. Yes? Can you guess me? I have two balls which are in different sizes. Can you tell me which are in two different sizes? One is big size and another one is small size. Big size, small size. This is big, this is small. This is big, this is small. So I have shown now. So you also can find out the objects big and small in your house, children. Yes? Okay. Next I have two rings. Yes. One is I have two rings. Can you compare the size? Tell me the size. Which is big and small? This is big? No. This is big? Yes. This is big in size and this is small in size. Big, small. Big, small. Okay, children. Next comes I will show the drawing for you. Yes. Yes, I have drawn the two balls here, which is big and small. Can you tell me which is big? Yes, this is big and this is small. Okay, next I will write the, what shall I write? Apple. Okay. Two apples I have drawn. Can you tell me which is big, which is small? Yes, this is big and this is small. Yes, big, small. Hope you have understood the big and small now. Now in this another concept I am doing same size. Okay? Next we will revise the same size, children. Same size means the size which is equal in size. Same size is nothing but which is having a equal size, not big, not small. Both are same. They look alike. They are similar. So same size means equal size. They look similar. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Same size ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ it will be same, ಸಮ. Okay, now I will show you few objects which are in same size. See children, here I have two bottles which are in same size. One is big, one is small. Can you find out any difference here? No. Yes. So in this bottle you can find this. What is the difference you can find? Both are in same size. Yes, this bottle are in same size. Okay. Now I have two blocks. Yes, which are in same size. They look same. They are similar. Onde tara ide. Okay. And I have two rings here. Yes. See, which are in same size. Yes. Okay, children. Here I have two cups which are in same size. See, children. Yes. Can you tell me what is this difference in this cup? Yes, one is big, one is small. Big, small. Here, both are same size. Yes. Now see, children, I will draw you the same size picture. Yes, both are same triangle, no? Yes, both are same tree. See, same sizes, they look same, they are similar. Okay, now today I will give one homework for you in the mathematics readiness book. Yes, children. Page number 10. Open, children. 10. I think you have no page 10 in mathematics book. See page number 10. Today's class review size. Circle the objects that are in same size. So see first row they have given the books no, which are in same size. You circle it, children. Okay, first one see, second one is small, little small, again big, again small. So you have to find out the same size book is, first one is same size book is here. So circle it, children, this. Okay, next comes circle the short row. So here you have, that time I have shown you big and short. Big and small. Short means small. Big means big in size. Short means small in size. Okay. See here, children, here they have two rows. One is big, one is small. You have to identify the small one and circle it. So where is the small one row? Here. So circle it, children. Next comes the circle the smaller animal. Which is the smaller animal here? Yes, that comes here. Which is this? Rat. Yes, we have to circle the rat. Yes. Okay. Now I will show you one example for you. You have to tell me, children. Yes. First one is big. Okay. 1 minute, wait, children. Yes, see? Now I will teach you the concept big and small. In big and small, I will teach you the bigger and biggest. Okay? Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. See the difference? You can find in the sizes difference, no? This size is different from little bigger. This size is different from this size. So this is big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay, next I'll show you. Yes, next comes big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Like this. You have to find out the difference, children. Now you hope you have understood the bigger and smaller, no, children? Big and small and same size, and bigger, biggest, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Yes. Yes. Now I will show you with the example for you. Yes. First is bigger, big, bigger, biggest. See comparison. See the comparison, children. This much is big. Next it comes. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ, ಈ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗಿಂತ ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದಿದೆ. So if you compare, you should tell big, bigger, biggest. Okay? Yes, like that you have to find out, children. Okay? Hope you have understood the concept. Review size, that is big, big and small and same size. Okay? Next we will go for the next concept, that is the language. Yes. In the language, we are going to learn the letter Y. Yes, in the last class we have revised no big letter Y and small letter y. Can you tell me what is Y sound, make sound? Y for yacht. Y sound year. How you trace the Y letter? Yes, one slant line down, left side one slant line down, right side one slant line down makes a Y letter. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Yes. Okay. Now we shall revise the letters first, children. Okay. From the ABC book we shall revise the letters A to Y. You have to repeat with me. A sound A, B sound B. A for apple, B for ball. C for cat, C sound K. D for duck, D sound D. E for elephant, E sound A. F for fish, F sound F. G sound G, G sound G. G for goat. H for hen, H says ha, H says ha. I for ice cream, I for I sound E. J for jet, J sound J. K for kangaroo, K sound K. L for lion, L sound L. M for mango, M sound M. N for next, N sound N. O for orange, O sound O. P for parrot, P sound P. Q for queen, Q sound quack. R for rabbit, R sound R. S for ship, S sound S. T for top, T sound T. U for umbrella, U sound A. V for vulture, V sound V. W for watch, W says V. X for Xmas tree, X says X. X says X. X make the sounds? Yes. Now I will show you with the flashcard of X letter. Yes. Okay, children. Now you have to revise with the phonic word also. Take that book also. Yes. Okay. Now which letter I am going to revise today? Yes. That is the Y letter. Yes. This is a big letter Y and this is the small letter Y. Big letter Y is known as uppercase. Small letter Y is known as a lowercase. Y for yacht. Y sound Y. Y for yacht. Y sound Y. Y sound yacht. Y for yacht. Y sound yacht. Yes. Tell me the phonic words. Yesterday I repeated no. Y for Y words. Can you tell me? Yes. Tell me, children, which are the Y words will come? Okay. Okay. I will only tell. Please listen, children. Y for yak. Y for yak. Y for yacht. Y for yam. Y for yolk. Y for yo-yo. Y for yam. Y says ya. Y says ya. Ya, yacht, ya, yam, ya, yolk, ya, yo-yo, ya, yam. Y says ya. Ya, yacht, ya, yam, ya, yolk, ya, yo-yo, ya, yam. Y says ya. Okay. Now I will do an activity for the Y letter. Yes? Are you ready? Yes? Very good, children. Shall we start the Y letter? One activity which is helpful for writing. Yes? Shall we start the activity, children? So for this you need a A4 sheet. Yes, take a A4 sheet like this. So on this you have to write the Y letter, children. Tell your mama to write it the Y letter on the paper in a pencil. So on that you have to trace the Y letter. So if you do the activity, it will be helpful to do in the workbook. First you should do the tracing activity in the paper, children. Hope you do know. Yes, very good. For tracing activity, you can trace with the, see children, for tracing activity, you can trace with the paint brush also, paint and brush, and you can trace with the sketch pen also, and you can trace with the Q-tip also. Q-tip, yes? Okay? Shall we start today doing the Q-tip activity? Okay. See here, children, I am taking the green color paint here to trace the Y letter. So your mama has to take a A4 sheet and letter write in the pencil Y letter. You can trace using the earbud. It will be helpful for the fine motor and motor skill activity, children. So please practice the tracing activity on the paper. Yes, and it will be before you also. So dip a paint and trace the Y letter. How you trace first? Yes, one slant line, right left side one slant line, right side one slant line, down makes a Y letter. See, it's very easy, no? So these two children, whatever activity I will show, no, you should do. Hope you do, no? Yes. See how you trace. First one, left side one slant line, right side and one slant line down makes a Y letter. Now I will show you on the board how to trace the Y letter. Yes. Yes. Right, left side one slant line, right side one slant line down makes a Y letter. Okay. So we will finish up children soon. Please observe this last part. Okay. Shall I show on this tray? Okay. Yes. Left side one slant line down, right side one slant line down makes a Y letter. Left side one slant line down, right side one slant line down makes a Y letter. So take out your homework book, that is a writing readiness book. I think you have no? Okay children, yesterday you have completed no? Very good. Open W letter. Sorry, Y letter. Okay. Page number 70. Yesterday you have completed no? Page number 69. Okay. Today's homework, trace the Y letter. See the arrow mark neatly. Observe it and trace it children. Don't press the pencil and write. Press it neatly and write. And it will be not visible for me. Please write neatly children. Without your mama's help, you should trace the Y letter. Okay. See here. You see the tracing number. Number 1 is right left side slant line. Number 2 is the right side slant line down makes the Y letter. So page number 70 trace the letter Y. I think you have understood the concept. Okay. Yes. Okay children. Take care. Please complete all the activities and homework. Take care children once again. Bye.